1995 was a really important year for DAF trucks. 1995 was when, here in the UK, DAF started an unbroken period of market leadership. And in 2025, we're 30 years down the road. Something that has never been done before in the truck industry, or arguably in any industry. What better way to mark that 30-year continuous market leadership than by restoring a 95 series? And what a better place to do it than our brand new DAF Apprentice Academy here in Nottingham. Because this year, our apprenticeship scheme also celebrates 30 years since its foundation in 1995.
We've acquired this DAF 95 to serve as a hands-on training project, not only for our technical but also our parts apprentices. It allows them a unique opportunity to work on a classic model, but also to experience and appreciate the evolution of our technology over the last 30 years. This process will involve our apprentices working very closely with our trained professionals here at the DAF Apprentice Academy to learn valuable skills into vehicle restoration, maintenance and repair, all whilst learning about the brand legacy.
From what the apprentices who've actually seen the product so far, all excited to be able to be part of this project and work on a truck like this. I don't think many of them will have seen something this old out there in the dealer network at the moment. You know, this particular product was like a predecessor to a lot of the modern trucks that we've got on the road today. So it's of essential importance that they get an understanding of the technologies of the day and how they've developed.
When it was originally built, it served as a demonstrator in a bright yellow colour for Leyland DAF, and that's the plan, to restore it to its former glory, to take it to shows and hopefully let the press have a go behind the wheel. It'll be great to see it alongside our latest new generation range of vehicles, to see how it compares, and it's a challenge for the apprentices that are here to bring it back to that former glory of a DAF demonstrator.